Hawaiian technique that will transform your life. Hello, spiritual family. Welcome to Gaia Spirit, your guide on the path of conscious growth. Taking a pause from implementing the 10 powerful habits that will change your life in 2025. Today we'll dive into a surprising ancient Hawaiian technique that can transform your life from the deepest part of your being and is changing lives worldwide. Oponopono. Do you feel that worries and conflicts are draining you? Are you looking for a powerful tool to heal your emotions and improve your relationships? Then stay until the end, because you'll discover how a few simple words could be the master key to your spiritual evolution. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications for more content that inspires you to grow. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these ideas. What is Oponopono? Oponopono is much more than a technique. It is a sacred Hawaiian art of healing that means to correct an error, or to make things right. And its main goal is to cleanse the negative memories and emotions that affect our lives. This technique is based on the premise that everything we experience in our reality is a creation of our subconscious memories, thoughts, and emotions, and that we can heal them through forgiveness, reconciliation, and gratitude. Oponopono invites us to look within to heal what we see outside. What is Oponopono for? Helps release emotional blockages. Improves relationships, both with yourself and with others. Reduces stress and promotes inner peace. Enhances conflict resolution through forgiveness and love. Imagine being able to release old wounds and live in harmony with yourself and the universe. How to use Oponopono. The beauty of Oponopono lies in its simplicity. It consists of 4 powerful phrases. 1. I'm sorry. 2. Please forgive me. 3. Thank you. I love you. When these words are repeated with sincerity and awareness, they activate a profound process of energetic cleansing and transmutation. Also, they don't need to be directed to anyone specific. They can be applied to a situation, a memory, or simply to yourself. How to practice it? 1. Find a quiet place where you can be alone. 2. Identify a situation you wish to heal. 3. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. 4. Repeat the 4 sacred phrases, allowing each one to resonate in your heart. Practice this for at least 5-10 minutes daily. Practical example. Suppose you have an issue with a coworker. Instead of focusing on the conflict, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and repeat the phrases while visualizing the situation dissolving in love and gratitude. The most important thing is consistency. Dedicate a few minutes each day to practice it and watch how your energy changes. Benefits. This ancient practice releases limiting patterns, heals conflictual relationships, increases your vibrational frequency, attracts abundance and prosperity, cleanses ancestral memories. Spiritual family. If this message resonates with you, I invite you to try Oponopono in your daily life. Start right now. Share this video with someone who needs healing and love in their life. Like and subscribe to Gaia Spirit for more conscious growth tools. Activate the bell to not miss our upcoming guides. Remember, spiritual family, that true transformation begins when we take full responsibility for our reality. Oponopono is a master key to open the doors of inner healing. Remember that peace starts within you. Oponopono is not just a practice, it's a path to emotional freedom. From Gaia Spirit, we send you love, light, and gratitude. Until the next video.